Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download video from Snapchat. All right. Well, it's up to you if you want to download your own videos. Let's say, for example, I'm going to record a new one right here. Now, as you can see, you'll be able to see an option to save right here, which will save the video or your picture to your gallery. Just hit on save. As you can see, it is currently saving. Now, when we go to our gallery right here on our phone, then I'm going to scroll all the way down until I find the Snapchat folder. I'm going to tap on it. And as you can see, here is our recent recording that we just downloaded. Now, to be able to do that, let's say, for example, that you don't have the download button right here or save button. Here's what you would want to do. Head over to your profile right here at the top left, tap on it. Now in here, just tap on the gear icon. All right, tap on this one. Now in here, you would want to scroll all the way down until you find the section memories. All right, tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, just go ahead and tick on this tick box right here, which says Smart Backup. Go ahead and tick on that. And once done, tap on the save button right here and make sure that you tap on memories and a camera roll. All right, and that way you'll be able to download your videos from Snapchat. Let's say, for example, that you wanted to download other people's snaps or videos. All right, just go ahead over to the video section. I'm just going to blur this one. Now, what we're going to do is just tap on the three dots right here at the bottom right. All right, depending on your device, it could be at the top. Just go ahead and find the three dots, tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and tap on export or send snap. Tap on it. Now in here in this section, you'll be able to see share to, download, tap on it. And as you can see, exporting snap. Just wait for it to finish. As you can see here, your snap was exported. Now let's go ahead over to our gallery again, all the way down. And as you can see, we just downloaded the snap from Snapchat. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.